Right now I'm in grade 8.
I'm in grade 2.
I am in grade 5.
I am in grade 9 right now, and I've been here since grade 1.
My favorite subject would be science.
My favorite subject is art.
Yeah, we learn like coding and stuff. Coding and typing. Help us to type faster.
The school began because parents in Karat were looking for an international school that could help their children with English primarily. And they knew about the Seventh-day Adventist system, so they came and asked us to start a school here in Karat.
Well, you know that we started with 16 children. We only have these 2 classrooms here.
This school is here to let them know about Jesus Christ.
One thing that really impressed me about the students were they were so eager to learn. Not only English, but they were so eager to learn so many things, especially Bible. Every day they demand me to tell stories about the Bible.
This school teaches the Bible, and I like the Bible.
I come to know more about Jesus, and then I started to believe in Jesus here.
I have learned many things. We always read the Bible in the morning, prayed to Him.
As a teacher, I'm trying my best to be a good example. So my contribution is introducing God to these young generations, young leaders of Thailand.
So my hope and prayer is that they will not forget what they learned, and wherever they will go later, they will always remember Jesus and accept Jesus in their hearts.
No, I like the whole part of the school, everything. Everything when we do here.
This school might be small, but everyone here is friends and we are all friends with each other, so it's like a nice small community.
We play together, we help each other, and be kind and share.
Because the parents feel that we are giving their children values, working hard to build good characters for them, I would ask for the world community, the church community, to pray that those values will be very effective and that they will be of a tremendous benefit to the Thai community.
My daughter is more of a leader than before. Now she can explain herself. She can do more than before.
I feel like I have become more responsible.
This school is like pretty small, and I want a bigger school so that we can have places to play and study.
Well, we are growing and it's really not enough now. We are struggling. Right now we are sharing a classroom with the teachers.
The idea of an international school in Thailand is that it is a very nice place for students to go. The facilities are nice. Our parents understand that we teach good values. But when their friends look at our school, they see something that is not representative of an international school. Some of their friends don't want to send their children to our school because of the facilities not being representative.
We would like a new facility because, yeah, we are getting bigger and we need some place to hold us.
I feel very happy that we will be getting a new building. We will have more for supporting our school. Not only to support the school, if we support the school, it means we are supporting the children.
Ames Karat is very special. And I know that God started this school, and I believe that He handpicked each student to be here. And He wants them saved. So for me, until Jesus comes, this will continue. I'm sorry. Yeah.
I like this school. I will never move away. I will never go to another school.